Hello everyone, it's me, NYSE Einstein from the floor of New York Stock Exchange. It's 5 o'clock on Tuesday the 24th. It's been a wild and crazy day. This morning the administration invited the vice premier, I believe, of China to the United States to talk about a trade deal, and the market responded well. We were up 10 handles this morning. Sort of a positive olive branch approach to trying to deal with China inside Verstappen, the Einstein of Wall Street. That being said, the president then went on to give a speech at the United Nations with the whole world watching, and he browbeat Iran, China in a passive-aggressive fashion and completely decimated any kind of love, peacefulness, and olive branch that was offered up in the morning came out, and China was a bit perturbed. The markets were a bit perturbed, and we completely reversed on that. All that being said, with the lack of love in the midday affair, going from super positive with China to negative with China, the market started to roll over. All that being said was that the probability of the impeachment spiked up from 30 to 60% midday. The negative media narrative proceeded to spin throughout the day, and the market went from being up 180 points to down 250 points, I believe at its low, a 350 to 370 point reversal. All that being said was then around 2:30-ish, the president came out and said he would release the unredacted version of the conversation with him and the president of Ukraine. That left a little bit of hope on the right-wingers, and the market rallied back about 150 points. Just with that little wish that if he in fact was releasing a fully unredacted version, that there was nothing there to hide. All that being said, the market continued. We had $2 billion to sell, or continued to roll over. We closed not off the lows, but right off the lows, I would say. I think we're down 250 at the low. We closed down 150. The chairman, the Speaker of the House, just announced formal impeachment inquiry into Mr. Trump. There's a lot on the table, a lot of hair on this trade. Joe Biden and his son, did they do anything illegal or not? That is really not the question. The question is the posturing, and is the fact that Mr. Trump believes he can do whatever he wants to do basically a problem with the administration? They are going to go forward with impeachment. Whether it'll pass the House and the Senate, not clear, but I believe we're in the middle of a massive shitstorm, ladies and gentlemen. And when the shit hits the fan, you turn off the fan, clean up the shit. All that being said, we'll let the market deal with that tomorrow. Whether we're going to be down 40, up 40, I don't really know. We'll take it up tomorrow. Market closed off 25 in the Russell. That's a big deal. The S&P down 25. So there is money being taken off the table. Dow Jones down 150 at 26.8. We're seeing a fracturing in the market. We're seeing anxiety over China, over the impeachment. Both are a big factor. NYSE Einstein, the Einstein of Wall Street from the floor of New York Stock Exchange. Let's pick it up tomorrow.